Okay, grade 7s, welcome to your second tutorial where you learn to calculate the diameter of a circle if you were given the radius. Now, I have the formulas from earlier already on the board. Remember how we talked about those fact families? Crazy thing is, because of how we calculated this, we already have the formula for this up on the board. Take a moment, see if you can find it. Is there a formula there that says D equals something? I feel like Dora the Explorer. There is, in fact. We already have one. Okay, right there. This is the formula you're looking for. Okay, so if I give you a circumference and you want to know the diameter, you can do this. Okay, so the way that we do this, these questions, you're always going to find that they say next to them, use a calculator. And the reason you're going to have to is because you have to divide by pi. Well, very few people know the times table for 3.14. Mathematicians might, but grade 7 students usually not so much. So if you're asked to calculate the diameter, you're probably going to need a calculator for this. Incidentally, it is also possible to calculate the radius. You just find the diameter and then divide that value by 2. But let's do a sample problem first. Suppose that we had a circumference. Yeah, okay. I have no idea whether or not this is going to work out properly. I think it will, but I could be wrong. Okay, so suppose we had a circumference of 21.98. Let's go with meters this time. Why not? Okay, we had 21.98 meters, and I wanted to know what the diameter of a circle was based on this circumference. Okay, I'm going to use my formula. If I take my circumference, write it down, circumference divided by that pi, I get diameter. Okay, so 21.98 divided by 3.14 should give me the diameter I'm looking for. And I, of course, did not bring my calculator to the front with me. I don't feel like dividing by 3.14 either, so I'm going to grab it. Take a look at the board. Try to do this yourself. Get a calculator out. See if you can find the answer. Here it is. All right. 21.98 divided by 3.14. Ha, my memory didn't let me down. It's a nice even answer. So when you do this, the answer works out to 7. Okay, so our diameter would be 7. Now, if you were asked for radius instead of diameter, because radius is half of diameter, your radius would just be take the diameter, divide it by 2, right? Your radius here would be 3.5 meters. Let's do one more of these, okay? And yeah, I want nice even values. That's how I know it's working out. Suppose we had a circle with a circumference of 15.7 meters. And I wanted to know, we're going to go whole hog here. I wanted to know what the radius was. Okay. I'm going to erase that for a second. We're going to start by calculating the diameter. Okay. So we're going to use this formula here to find diameter. And this is on your formula sheet as well. I might make a separate video showing how to use a formula sheet. So this means circumference divided by pi gives us diameter. So this is 15.7 divided by 3.14 gives us diameter. Take your calculator out, punch that in. I've already done it. What you're going to get is 5. Okay. The diameter of this particular circle is 5 meters. Now, if you want to know the radius, which is what I asked for, right? Then you would take the diameter, cut it in half. Because I calculated the diameter, the distance across the whole circle, we only want to know the halfway. So radius equals diameter divided by 2. Radius equals 5 divided by 2. Radius is 2.5 meters. And that's it. It's pretty simple, okay? Especially with a formula sheet like the one you've got, it's really easy to use, okay? Have a good day.